Palomar Biosciences in Telangana, India is abusing animals on a massive scale. There are beagles that have fungal infections all over their bodies. There's undercover video footage of workers kicking them and throwing them in cages. One worker even kicked and threw a beagle so hard that his jaw was fractured. Cherry eye, all kinds of wounds, just videos of them throwing the beagles like footballs into cages, hurling them, kicking them, full-on kicking them, treating them like inanimate objects, full-blown abuse, infections in their eyes, ulcers on their feet, same old thing over and over again, heinous and criminal animal cruelty and abuse. Palomar Biosciences, Telangana, India. Please leave them a Google review, 1 star. Thank you. Oh, yay! Okay.